First train coming. Here it comes. It's a P-32 Genesis arriving. Here it is, P-32 Genesis. Here it is. Train to Grand Central. Woo! There he goes. Here goes that P-32 Genesis. Train from Poughkeepsie to Grand Central. Wow. I mean, we'll catch the M3 and the M7. Let's wait until the M7A comes. Let's watch this video. Here comes the train. It's coming. Here it is. Going to Grand Central. Yes, there's another one. Hurry. Here it comes. There it is. Train to Grand Central. Here it comes. P-32 Genesis arrive. Hi! That's a New Haven car. Here comes a train. Train to Croton Harlem. This is an M7A. Hi! Here it comes. Here comes a train. Train to Croton. Croton Harlem bound. It's early. Yep, train to Croton Harlem. Bye-bye. Here he goes. Sorry about the copyright announcement.
Attention at Hudson, bound 2:12 p.m. Train to Grand Central Terminal
train arrives.
On track 4. Please use the portable ramp when boarding
I know! This is a train to Hudson and Hudson!
You'll need permission by the conductor.
Here it goes.
12 p.m. Train to Grand Central Terminal.
Grand Central Terminal arrives. Oh, it's similar to the Greenwich Station. Let's take a look at the platform. Ooh, shoot. I just almost hurt. Let's take a look at the platform. And also, this is the shade. Very similar to the North White Plains. And look. I cannot really see a PA speaker. It might be, huh? As you can see. Yep, there's a PA. It might or not see PA system here. Alright, now go back up the elevator. I guess we'll take a look at the view. Let's take a look at the view very quick. Maybe you can see New York City over there. I might hear a train coming. This platform is closed. Alright guys, here it is. Ardsley on Hudson. Take a picture. Here it is. We're in the Hudson River. You can see if there's a New York City skyline. Amazing. You gotta be careful. The Tappan Zee Bridge. Alright, time to go back up the elevator. Alright then, let's go back up the elevator. Because about 1 hour for Eleanor wanders by, so I gotta hurry. Now let's just take a look. Let's take a look at the view in the station. So we can retake the video. Here's the stairs. Alright, when I pause when I get here.
Train. Track 4.
Here comes the train. Train to New Haven. Train to New Haven. Here it comes. This is the Kawasaki M8 arriving. Just stand here. I don't want to get phone mic wet. Here it comes. Train to New Haven. Say hi to Metro North. Hi, Kawasaki M8. Here it is. Wow. Train to New Haven from Grand Central to New Haven. Stops at Norton Heights, Darien, Raritan, South Norwalk, East Norwalk, Westport, Greens Farm, Southport, Fairfield, Fairfield Metro, Bridgeport, Stratford, Milford, West Haven, and New Haven. Wow. They had listened to now. Norton Heights is next. This is a local train. Alright, let's watch the train leave and then we'll go ride the elevator. Leaving from Manhattan bound. And then Westchester was far. To the end of Connecticut and then Greenwich. At the Stamford station. We love Stamford. This is where the Metro North and the Amtrak was. Let's watch the train and the schedule turned off. Let's watch it leave. The passengers are going to Connecticut. Ooh, it's so wet. We gotta be careful. There's raindrops. Ooh, still wet. Let's watch it here instead. Here he goes. Alright, let's watch the schedule off. Sorry I'm vlogging with us. Oh yes, the schedule is off. Alright, that's it. Danbury shuttle. Here it goes, the Kawasaki M8. Stamford, final stop. Here's the Danbury shuttle. P-32 Genesis arrived. P-32 Genesis. In the Greenwich video.
Final call, Amtrak Regional Train 175 to Washington, D.C. Your train will arrive next on track 3. This is quiet cars are located at the rear of the train. Final call, Amtrak 175, track 3.
The elevator was here, but let's go. We'll take the escalator. Oh, we're not gonna go in. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, we got a fire alarm. Alright, here it goes. These are like express coaches. Let me pause. Watch it leave. There he goes. The P-32 Genesis. 6:40 p.m. arrived. Here goes another train. Here he goes. We got another, I think that's an express Amtrak service. Hurry up, P-32 Genesis. You're taking so long. There we go. You can do it, big boy. Alright, I got my stuff. Alright then, let's watch it leave. Governor is, I don't know, I cannot read. If you read it if you like. Connecticut Commuter Rail. Connecticut State. Here he goes, that P-32 Genesis. Alright then, here he goes. There's the Danbury shuttle. Alright, let's take the escalator. That's it.